Hello students, how are you? Vadiya? Okay, very fine. Children, let's today start lesson number 5, operations on rational numbers. Now what it mean by operations, children? Operations means here addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of rational numbers. Okay. Now see, we have learnt to add, subtract, multiply and divide integers as well as fractions. And a fraction is a rational number, you know very well. The four operations on rational numbers are same as on fractions. Means the students who know how to add, subtract, multiply and divide the fractions, they can very easily solve sums based on addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of rational numbers. See, exercise 5.1, it's question number 1. Question is what? Add the following rational numbers. Now see what you have to do. As you have to add, so first you will put here addition sign. First write down 3 by 7 plus. Now as it is negative, so always take bracket, minus 6 by 7. Now children, you know this multiplication, this bracket means multiplication sign. Now next step, always remove the bracket first. So what we do, write 3 by 7 plus into minus is minus 6 by 7. Now here children, you can see the denominator is same, so you have to write one time 3 minus 6, numerator will be as it is, and you know 3 minus 6 is what? Minus 3 by 7 is the answer. Okay, so in this way you can solve all the remaining examples. Now let's move to question number 2. Question number 2 is again what? Add the rational numbers. Okay. Now in question number 2, let's study. Your second question is also add. Adding is add. Let me take here second example. What is second one? You have to add 1 and 5 upon minus 12. Okay. Now you can see this negative is there in the denominator. So what you have to do? You have to make it positive. So direct also you can write. See how I am writing. As the heading is add, we write 1 plus this minus, here you will write now minus 5 by 12. What I have done, you know, I have multiplied numerator and denominator by minus 1. So this minus come here and this minus become plus. Now start 1. Here is the denominator, here there is no denominator, so you know you have to take 1 always. Plus into minus is minus. Remember children, in the next step you want only one sign, so you have to simplify sign, and this is 5 by 12. Now again you have to find what? LCM. LCM of 1 and 12 is what? 12, you know. So there are many ways I have explained you. The simple way you know very well is this one. 1 by 1, first rational number you will write as it is. Here you want 12, so multiply 12. This is here already the denominator is 12, so no need to multiply. Now just simplify. 12 ones are 12 and here also 12 minus 5 by 12. Now as the denominator is same, you will write here 12 and 12 minus 5 is what? 7 by 12 is the answer. Okay, so in this way you can do rest of the sums. Let's move to question number 3. Question number 3 just like this only. Now see this question. Question number 3, again you have to add. Let's take second example of this. Okay, now see. Here plus sign is already given. Minus 3 by 7 is the first rational number. Now children, you can see this minus get cancelled. Cancel now. You can cancel this sign in a fraction, in a rational number. Not from here to here you can go as there is plus sign. But you can simplify rational number. Okay. Now this sign, now no sign is there, means plus is there. Now here plus and 4 by 21. Now you have to find LCM. LCM is what? LCM of 7 and 21 is what? 21. And now see, minus 3 by 7 you will write. Here multiply by 3 to make the denominator as. These all things we have studied in fraction lesson. That's why it's very important, children. Here also by 3 plus 4 by 21 as it is. Simplify in the next step. Minus 9 by 21 plus 4 upon 21, as the denominator is same, now just write the numerator as it is and simplify. You know minus 9 plus 4 is what? Minus 5 by 21 is the answer. Okay. Now let's move to question number 4. That's also very easy. Remember, first you have to remove the bracket by simplifying the sign. Now children, see this example, question number 4, evaluate. Heading may be anything: solve, add, simplify, evaluate. You have to observe the question carefully. Now your first step is what? Remove this bracket. So let's do that first. Here as it is minus, so you can, direct we will write here minus 9 by 26. It is already 40 positive 13 by 9, and again this minus get, this minus get cancelled, and what is left now? Plus 5 by 30. Okay, now you have to find what? LCM of 26, 39 and 13. So what is LCM? Let's one more time let me explain you. Here is 26, here is 39. Sorry children. (26), 39 and 13. These all numbers are divisible by 13. So let's divide it. 13 2s are 26, 13 3s are, and 13 1s are. Now after this, no two numbers are divisible by any same number. So what is the LCM? LCM will be 13 into 2 into 3. So what? 13 6 are 78. 78 na? Yes. Now again the same. See, you can apply the previous method also, or in this way also you can do. As the LCM is 78, direct you write here 78 children. Now this 78 you will divide by the denominator, and when you divide 78 by 26, what is left here? See, so when you divide this 78 by the first denominator 26, what is the answer you are getting? 3. And whatever the answer you are getting, you will write and multiply this 3 with its numerator. And what is the numerator? Minus 9. Okay. In the same way you have to do for the remaining terms also. 78. First you will divide this 78 by 39. So what is left when you divide 78 by 39? 2. So answer will be what? 2. And multiply this 2 with the numerator. What is the numerator? 14. Then what is the sign? Plus. Again children, (78) you will divide by 13. So when you divide by 13, what you will get? 6. Okay. So here it will be 6. Sorry children. Write here 6 multiply by, what is the numerator? Your numerator is what now? 5. Okay. Now just simplify. Equal to, simplify this bracket first. Remember, according to BODMAS, first you have to simplify multiplication bracket. In that multiplication is there, so it is minus 27, then plus 14 2s are 28, plus 6 5s are 30 upon 78. Okay, now just simplify children. Minus 27 plus 28 is what? Plus 1. Plus 1 plus 30 is what? 31. 31 by 78 is the answer. The same sums we have studied in lesson fractions. There is no change. Okay. So in this way children, today we have completed our exercise 5.1, and the rest of the sums, whatever one or two examples I have left, that you have to do as homework. Okay, so work hard, practice more, everything is fine and easy for you. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.